This is Sangster International Airport.
Greetings again to everyone from Stewy. You might be wondering why is Stewy showing us a ship? Well, stay with us as we tell what this ship did on Tuesday, December 12, 2023 to air traffic at Sangster's International Airport in Montego Bay, Jamaica. This ship is named MARELLA Explorer 2 and is operated by TUI Cruises based in Hamburg, Germany. TUI Cruises is a 50-50 joint venture between Royal Caribbean Cruises and TUI AG. This ship will call the Montego Bay Cruise Ship Terminal its home port for winter 2023-2024, from which it will operate its Caribbean cruises. How does Sangster's International Airport fit into this? TUI Airlines will fly passengers across the Atlantic into Montego Bay, Jamaica Sangster's International Airport for their Caribbean cruise on the day or before the day on special packages where guests can spend days in a Jamaican hotel before their cruise. This video will show you how TUI took over the airport, raining down Dreamliners on the runway of Sangster's International Airport on December 12, 2023, even using a Norse Airlines Dreamliner to fly a TUI flight. Other airlines landed and took off between the TUI flights, but Stewy, in an effort to shorten the video, removed those. Do enjoy another one from Stewy. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't already done so.
Niner 4 arrived at time 01, vacate next right Alpha, contact ground 1217.
Okay, next right at Alpha, ground 1215, Tom Jet 194.
That is 121.7.
What's up, Tom Jet 194. Tower, Tom Jet 894 at 11 miles.
Tower, good afternoon. Clear to land, runway 07, wind 060 degrees, 17 knots.
And 07, Tom Jet 894.
At 8904 arrived 20, vacate next right Alpha, contact ground 121.7.
Stand by. Two, 4 miles.
Jet 102 heavy, wind 080 degrees at 12 knots. Clear to land, runway 07.
07, Tom Jet 102. American 875, 5 from Usain, runway 7.
American 875, thanks to tower, hello again. Continue approach runway 07, report done it.
875, will report done it, continue approach.
Jet 102 Heavy, arrived 42, vacate via taxiway Alpha. Contact ground 121.71, clear.
Alright, Alpha 121.7, Tomjet 102.
Tomjet 066 Heavy, roger. Wind 060 degrees at 14 knots, clear to land, runway 07.
7, Tomjet 066.
Tomjet 066 Heavy, arrived 44, vacate via taxiway Alpha. Contact ground 121.71, clear.
Alpha 1217 clear, Tomjet 06, thank you.
Delta 1928, approaching holding point 7, ready for takeoff.
So 1928, thanks to tower, hold short runway 07. And you're number 1 to the American in the holding bay.
Short runway 7, Delta 1928, number 1.
So 600 Charlie, right base 07.
Yankee Juliet Tango Charlie, thanks to tower. Continue approach runway 07, wind at station 060 degrees at 14 knots.
Continue approach 07, 600 Charlie.
Juliet, November Juliet, Roger. Traffic, Tom Jet, Boeing 789 or heavy, 6 miles per hour, runway 07, remain north and clear. Jet 636 heavy, Roger. Wind at station 070 degrees at 14 knots, runway 07, clear to land.
Right there, 7
Tower Southwest 906, inbound for 07.
Southwest 906, thanks to tower. Continue approach, runway 07. Traffic, Cessna 206, north of the station, up to 1,000 feet. No factor.
Thank you. We'll continue Southwest 906.
Jet 636 heavy arrived 09er, vacate via taxiway Alpha. Contact ground 121.71 clear.
With the ground 12179. Stop there. 636 go.
The tower, good day, Tom Jet 724, approaching finals, visual runway 07.
24, wind 0 degrees 14 knots, clear to land runway 07.
7 clear to land, Tom Jet 724.
Jet 724 heavy arrived 28, vacate via taxiway Alpha. Contact ground 121.7 wind clear.
Via Alpha 117 wind clear, Tom Jet 724.